And if you follow the teachings of Paul, in Galatians, you know, it's not always been like this. So, the first time I preached in my church on Men's Ministry Day, you should have seen it was a disaster. Gradually, the divine unction is descending on me. And so, the Apostle Paul says in Galatians 6:2, he says, bear one another's burdens and so fulfill the law of Christ. It means that we must assist each other. We must show love to each other. We must love one another and help each other carry the burdens that they have in life. There are many around us who are struggling, not just spiritually, but also physically. Some are struggling emotionally, and some are struggling materially. There are people here who haven't eaten this today, just because they do not have what it takes to be able to buy a meal. And that's why Christ expects us to share generously. There are others too who have abundant. You ate breakfast, you ate lunch before coming here, and you go back home and there's fufu and light soup and aponche waiting for you. We must learn to share the burdens of others. If you can give that one meal, one aponche and light soup, aponche cracker and fufu, to somebody who can afford it, the blessings you get are multiple. He who gives receives more blessing than he who receives. In our communities, like I said, some go to bed hungry. Young people are losing hope. Families are burdened by the weight of unemployment, uncertainty, and inflation. And so as we reflect on the sacrifice that Jesus Christ made for us, let us ask ourselves, what sacrifices are we making for others? As we reflect on Jesus' sacrifices, let's ask ourselves, what sacrifices are we also making for others? Are we helping to lift someone up? Are we giving where we can? Are we standing for justice? And are we being the salt and light that Christ called us to be?